And we have finally arrived at the holiday cottage. But welcome to my holiday vlog. Today is the first day. We've just arrived at the cottage after a very long journey. And I'm going to be down here in a little village called Totnes. It's in Devon. And we're just going to be having some fun. We're going to do some creative photography, some wildlife, landscape, street photography, all the types of photography, whatever we get the opportunity for. And we're also going to have fun. And I'm just going to vlog. Obviously, this is a holiday, so it's also going to be nice and restful. So I'm not going to stress about making content or any of that. Now, it is a really hot day. This weekend is going to be the hottest weekend this year so far. Now, it's summer, so we're expecting it to be hot, but it's really kicked off. It's really hot and sweaty. In this video, you've already seen us kind of arriving. I'll talk more about the journey. I'll talk about what I packed. I'll also show you the house because, wow, this is an amazing cottage. It's so cool. There's like a suite downstairs, and then there's the middle floor, and then there's the top floor, which we're in now. And with all that being said, just roll the intro and we'll see where we go from here. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I brought. Now don't get excited, because I didn't actually bring that much. Taking up the majority of the space is a jumper and a coat. I wanted to be prepared for if it was cold or wet, even though it is the hottest weekend of the year. I brought them anyway. It also means I can just dump them on the floor down here, and they will be out of the way, and then my bag's going to get lighter. I brought my laptop. This will be for editing photos and videos for you guys, and also some jobs that I need to catch up on. There is the charger for the laptop, and then I've got a few little bits. I've got some binoculars for spotting wildlife. I've got a lens cleaner, so this is a rocket blower. It just blows the dust off the lens. And then my clothes. I didn't bring too many clothes because we've got a washing machine, but there's just a fair few clothes there. And then to the camera gear. This is what we should all be excited about. I have this lens, the Sigma millimeter lens. Before we came on a holiday, I just filmed a review for this lens, so look out for that if you want to know more about it, but I'm going to be using it on this holiday. And then my main camera for wildlife is going to be the Canon 7D Mark II, and I've got the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens on the end here. And then we have the camera I'm vlogging on right now. We have the Canon 250D, I have a microphone, and then I have a light on top. I also have my phone. I didn't bring a full tripod. I brought a monopod. This goes into two sections and becomes a monopod. This means that I can use it to support my lens, but I can't actually stand it up. I have a selfie stick which I'm using to hold the camera up. That's going to be for doing the kind of little talking things, but I didn't want a full tripod. I didn't want to have to carry that around with me. And that's pretty much it. In this front pocket, I've got some chargers, that's for camera batteries. I've got all of the spare batteries and cards. I've also got the bag for the microphone to go in, just all those little bits in the front pockets. But that is basically all I've brought. So I brought 2 cameras and 3 lenses. The lens on the vlogging camera is the Canon 18 to 55 millimeter lens. That will be used for landscapes and obviously for vlogging. The 55 can also be used for some street photography or landscape as well. So that's what I've got with me. And now, I think it's time to have a look around the house. And starting at the front door, we have a dining table here where we can eat, and then a kitchen. Now you'll notice throughout this entire house we've got a green and white theme going on. Some green cupboards, a bit of dark grey in the kitchen. It's all very nicely done. The stove. There is also a microwave which is bigger than the oven. It's enormous. And then just at the end here, we have the fridge, which is looking pretty bare, but it was totally bare, so it's an improvement from when we first arrived. Now, coming through here, we have a small seated area. Some people trying to work the TV just here. And if we head down these stairs, we have the funnest part of the whole house. We have pretty much a suite down here. There's a double bed. It's a bit messy, but it's a cool double bed. There is a nice mirror on the wall, and then some sofas over here, and another television. There is a door, so you can run away should you wish to. And then just around here is the bathroom. So that is the middle floor and the ground floor. So now we're going to go upstairs. The stairs come through this door here. So that's just the kitchen behind me. So up here we have two rooms. We have this bedroom, we have another double bed, and then this window just looks out across to the fields. Should turn the lights on. The lighting in this might be a bit crazy. And then finally, you've actually already seen this room because this is where I filmed the introduction. This is my room, my bed, right here. And that is the house tour for you. So yeah, you'll see more of the house throughout the week, but that's just kind of the general layout. And the only thing left to do was to explore the town of Totnes. Now I'll talk about this more tomorrow when we do some street photography and we go out onto the street to take photos of the people. But there's all these historic buildings like that church and this arch dotted around the town, and it looks like great fun, so I'm sure we'll be able to explore it a lot more throughout the week. There is this nice river that is based on, and then we did some shopping because our fridge was empty. Now it's getting late and I think the first day of the holiday is drawing to a close. I need some sleep so I've got some energy for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to be doing some awesome photography. Now I know today we haven't done much photography. I've done lots of montages and videography, but we haven't done much photography, so that will be coming, don't you worry. In this video I showed you coming here, settling in, a general introduction to what the week's going to be like, and yeah, we just had a bit of fun, we just kind of chilled out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.